Well, you're gonna focus, or I'll wait. Hey everyone, welcome back. Now, today we're going to be doing a not so scientific and not so technical comparison between the Rode VideoMicro and the Movo VXR10. I will say that the Movo is 6 decibels louder than the Rode. It's $20 cheaper and it goes down to negative 35 hertz, so you can expect a little bit richer bass than the Rode. Yeah, that's about all I have to say. We'll just get started today.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes.
All right, so we're on a nice little evening hike in one of the noisiest places I can think of. Now, in situations like this, personally, and I'm sure a lot of you, would consider this as a good option. To use the Rode mic or mics like this as a backup audio source and record straight to an audio recorder. This is my Tascam DR05, which I've been using for years now. And to give you a sample of what it sounds like without the audio recorders, here it is. Now, as you can imagine, it's probably pretty hard to hear me, so we're going to switch back to the lav mic. That said, let's see what we can get without it. Alright, so first up is the Movo. Now I have it connected to my Tascam DR05 as we move around the composition. We are testing out to see how it handles noise from all different directions. So I'll step back a minute and this is what it sounds like as I move closer. Now we're going to do the same test with the Rode. I know it's not very scientific, but neither are we. Alright, from left to right, here's what the Rode mic sounds like as I move across the screen. Now keep in mind that the Rode mic is in place, but I am not, and neither is the camera. So this is just an audio test from left to right, so don't mind my verbose rambling. We're going to just see how it handles. Now I'm going to step back, and here's what the mic sounds like far away. Alright, so now we're on the Rode mic. Sorry if I'm not rule of 30s here, but I don't have a screen. But my presumption is this mic might sound a little bit better when I'm walking because the shock system's slightly better. Alright, walking test again. Have the Movo connected. Now, build is about the same, so I feel like the quality is going to be comparable. However, the Rode mic I think has a better shock absorbent system, and I think overall, when moving, it'll sound a little bit better. We'll take it back to the computer and see. Right now, we're just gonna finish the walking test. The walking test. Now we're gonna start running and see how it goes. See how it does. All right, so. These mics are similar in a lot of ways, but if a deciding factor is price for you, well, the Movo is $40 where the Rode is $60. Now with that extra $20, you do get this nice little shock system, which I think is a little bit better than the Movo. Quality, I think it's going to be comparable. We'll see when we put it on the computer. With that extra $20, I mean, you can pick up this and you can get a lav mic for maybe 10, maybe 2 lav mics. Well, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you got something out of it. More to come now that the weather's warm, school's winding down. It's giveaways, so that's going to be exciting. And again, thank you for watching. Drop a comment if you want. Subscribe. Thank you. Now this segment, we're going to be doing a little bit of an audio test. We're going to be reading some modern poetry. Now, can you guess this artist? I believe that I can fly.